You pulled Darren. Darren Mitchell.
Pinned him last night.
Yeah, but he pinned you. It was 2 out of 3 tonight.
Yeah, tonight's the last one.
Championship. You're on.
See, what happened was, he had my hands locked. But this time, I'm going to go under and swoop the leg and grab this one over his head, get him in fireman's carry, and I'll slam him on the ground. And it's over then.
WWF?
Yeah. He's down.
You got to look in the camera and say, I want you. Craig, I got you and him. So stay there. That's awesome. See Craig's reaction on this gate here. Go Darren. Go. Oh. Stay on it, Darren. Stay on it. Craig, tell him to keep railing the turn. That's the gear, Craig. Talk to him, John. That's the gear, though.
We got heated up, the heated zone. One rider transfer out of the rhythm section. Coming back this way, it is still powering Paul Johnson. And after that, it'll go Johnson, your transfer.
Who's blowing?